Chào mừng các bạn đến với kênh Nhân Nhanqualuanhoi.
I've been here for 12 years on this planet. 12 years goes really fast. I feel like not a lot of people really think about that, and not a lot of people really realize like we only have 12 years until like our planet's destroyed.
This is making me sad because all these inconsiderate people out here are destroying the planet that I live in, and that she lives in, and that you live in, that everybody lives in, and they don't care.
If people were really thinking about that every single day when they wake up, like I do, like, wow, like I have to make a difference today and I have to make a difference tomorrow, because if I don't, we're just running out of time.
This is what climate change looks like.
We can't beat climate change unless there's a big drop in the amount of meat that's eaten all around the world.
And it's important that we start including how we eat as part of the conversation on climate change.
One of the most powerful things that you and I can do today is change our diets.
Climate change is being caused in large part by animal agriculture. So when people say they're helpless, they're not helpless.
The science has really shown very dramatically how it has an impact both on emissions for greenhouse gases, methane and CO2, but also polluting the oceans, also leading to rainforests being chopped down.
About 55% of the world's land is farmed. Why do we need so much land to produce our food? And the answer is animal products. 80% of that farmland is for producing animal products. We've lost an area of tropical forests. In the last 15 years, the size of the United Kingdom, France, Germany, Spain and Portugal combined. Diet change reduces the amount of farmland we need by 75%. All that land, as trees regrow, will take carbon out of the atmosphere, and our estimates are saying that it would probably reduce global greenhouse gas emissions by about 30 to 50%. Over 1 billion tonnes of additional food could go to humans if we stop feeding to animals. It's probably the most powerful thing that you can do as a typical consumer to make a massive dent in it.
I've been writing about the impact of livestock, so cattle mostly, on the environment, because I don't think people realised how enormous that impact was.
Currently 25,000 species are threatened with extinction, large amount of them because of agriculture.
Animal agriculture is a huge contributor to climate change.
What would happen if the world went vegan? Reduce our nitrogen and phosphorus pollution, so all the nutrients that are going into the sea that we're releasing, reduces that by about 50%. Reduces acid rain by about 1/3, the amount of water we need to produce our food by about 1/4.
A lot of people aren't really realizing of all the things that animal agriculture is doing to the planet.
We all got together and said, yes, actually, the thing that we care about most is the planet.
Byproduct of veganism, that it's also a way to save humanity and save our planet.
Being vegan is something that every individual can do.
Going vegan is such a wonderful experience because you align your morals with your actions.
Start with the thing in your life that is easy to change, and that is your diet.
We have got to just keep fighting, keep talking like you're doing, like I'm doing, and persuade people that what we're saying is right.
I think they're realizing how it's so important for us to stick up for our planet, because if animal agriculture destroys the planet, where are we going to live?
Ha ha ha, 问什么的说